In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy filtered data to another worksheet in Excel. Let's start by opening the Excel workbook that contains the data you want to work with. Make sure you're on the worksheet where your full dataset lives. This is usually a table or a range of rows and columns with headers at the top, like date, name, region, or amount. It's important that your data has clear column headings, because that's what Excel will use to filter. Next, click anywhere inside your data range so Excel knows which area you're working with. Then, go to the Data tab on the ribbon at the top of the screen. Look for the Filter button, which usually shows a small funnel icon. Click that. You should now see small drop-down arrows appear on each of your header cells. That means filtering is turned on. Now, decide what you actually want to filter. For example, you might want to see only a specific region, a particular date range, or values above a certain amount. Click the drop-down arrow on the column you want to filter. In the menu that appears, you can either select or deselect specific items, or use options like text filters, number filters, or date filters for more advanced criteria. Once you apply your filter, Excel will hide the rows that don't match, and only show the rows that meet your condition. At this point, only the filtered rows are visible, but the hidden rows are still there in the background. To copy just what you see, click and drag to select the filtered range, including the headers if you want them in the new sheet. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+A if your cursor is inside the filtered table and you want to select it all. With the filtered data selected, copy it by pressing Ctrl+C, or by right-clicking and choosing Copy. Now, go to the bottom of Excel and click the plus icon to create a new worksheet, or switch to an existing worksheet where you want this filtered data to appear. Click the cell where you want the top left corner of the data to go, usually cell A1, and paste using Ctrl+V, or right-click and choose Paste. Excel will only paste the visible filtered rows, leaving out everything that was hidden. You've now successfully copied filtered data from one worksheet to another, keeping only the records you need and leaving the rest behind.